Sam is a subscriber. He wanted to propose to his girlfriend during Mustang Week on the vlog. What's going on, Joyriders? You guys ready to vlog? Let's vlog. It's day 3, Myrtle Beach, Mustang Week. Got up this morning. It was a little bit wet. It was actually raining this morning, so the roads are probably wet and everything like that. But I think our plans for today is we're gonna go get breakfast, probably go find a cool spot, take some pictures of the cars. Then we're gonna see what's going on tonight. We're gonna go get into some stuff, but let's see what everyone else is doing. I think Bruno ran out to go grab some food, and Laura and the kids are inside. She's getting the kids ready, and Les and Amanda, I think, are still in bed. I don't know. Go take a walk back inside. Actually, the sun just popped out. Let's go see what these guys are doing inside. Liam just started crying. Whoa, buddy. What was that? What was that? Yeah, we get a smile. Oh, yeah. Laura's showing off her bruises. How'd you get those bruises, babe? Everybody's probably gonna think I beat you because somebody... Oh, now you're pointing at me? Sure. Crazy kids. We stayed with another vlogger here.
Hey guys.
What's going on? What's going on?
I'll sign an autograph later.
You sign my autograph? Okay, he's gonna sign an autograph for me later. But anyways, it's gonna be a food vlog. First thing, we gotta get breakfast. Before we start our day, we need to eat. Well, look at who showed up. Caleb thinks he's Jeff Gordon. I don't know what the 24 stands for. Maybe that's how many boyfriends he had. Waiting on Laura. As soon as she comes out, we're gonna roll. But I really need to clean my windshield. I think after we go have breakfast, we may come back to the house and do a little wash, clean the cars up, and then I think we're gonna go probably ride around, see what we can get into, maybe find a spot, take some pictures. But that's what we're doing now. So as soon as she gets back in the car, heading over to breakfast food vlog.
Change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The deal is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby.
What now?
Yellow Joyriders. Are you pulling a trick?
I'm not doing anything. Bruno's, you know Bruno's always up to something. What's the what?
Wave.
What wave? I don't know. I'm lost. There's Alan. Say what's up to the vlog. What's up? Miss ShockerRacing.
Where is it?
Mrs. I'm... Okay, it's on. I'm camera shy.
Okay, where are we going?
Alright guys, Starbucks vlog right now. Caleb, you ready to go to Starbucks? Man's already got a cup. He's got his own personal cup. Let's do it. You got...
Which one do you think wins?
Oh, this one, of course. His is pretty much stock.
Sounds like it's
You single father? Where the kids at?
Huh?
Where the kids at?
With grandmom right now.
With grandmom? Alright, man. Take care.
Thank you.
You too. You got a sign that said single father, so hopefully he's not lying, but I did my good deed for the day. Only person I know goes to Starbucks and gets 2 drinks. We'll see you guys back at the house. Back at the house, now we're gonna start cleaning up the cars. Stack for hours, he already started on his. Yeah, that's what Caleb's gonna wash his over here. I guess he was having a water hose issue over at his place where he's at. But we're gonna get these things cleaned up. me next door to Melissa McCarthy. She's actually at the beach the same time as us. So what's your plans here at the beach?
Well, I was just coming over here to see if a wet t-shirt would help you guys shine up this Mustang yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. She got me. We're gonna have to take you for a ride.
You bet. No, did you hear what I just said?
A Joyride white t-shirt?
I do have a Joyride white t-shirt.
I'll wear a Joyride t-shirt and put which car do you want me to shine up?
Actually, you started watching some of the videos, right? You don't.
Yeah, I don't have the jean shorts that are short up my ass, but I'll have the white t-shirt and rub them on your car if you like.
Getting her all wiped down. And then we've got some more Mustangs rolling up in here. I don't know how all this happened. Do you want to plug your YouTube channel for the...
Xander 13.
Check him out. He's got it on the cart right here as well.
Yep.
Check him out, new vlogger.
Yep. So about 6 months is when we really started just doing this about every other day. So definitely go check it out.
Dude, I think I see this guy everywhere. What's going on?
Another day in paradise.
She looks good. She looks good.
Get in there. It's all right.
So we're all about to go roll over to Broadway at the beach. There's a little Mustang meetup, so it's gonna be the first one for Mustang Week. That's what we're about to do right now.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place that you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Oh man, thanks. Hey, awesome.
I want to see your outfit.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling.
That is freaking loud, man. That is loud. Sick. That's loud as shit. Get a pop. Woo! Do it again.
Trying to find a place where we can be alone.
Bruno's first Mustang.
Joyride!
What's up? Say what's up to the vlog.
Joyride! That's so green. Your color is there.
Let him go!
Alright, sounds good. Yeah. Sounds good. We're almost done. Yep.
Yeah, so go in or head out.
Okay. They weren't real cops. I think, what was that, like mall security?
Yeah.
Mall cops? Yeah, they kicked us out. One guy got arrested. Pulling out now. That was exciting. It sucks for the guy that got arrested. I think it was S550 Evan.
ripping a burnout in front of a cop. That's badass, dude. That's awesome. You earned so many cool points there, but dude, that sucks that it turned out the way it did. But anyways, we're gonna wrap this vlog up. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys